Since January 2025, Projectkin has hosted over 50 Substack live sessions, including weekly updates, the Roots Tech Ride Along, and our All About That Place, or AATP series with guests worldwide. Surprisingly, for many of my guests, Substack is new. My mission for Projectkin has always been to encourage more people to share their stories in any form. And recorded conversations are compelling, so I'd love to see more people feel better about using this feature. Now, I've learned some things. I'm sharing them with you here to not only make this experience a bit easier for my guests, but also to encourage you. You might consider this extraordinary medium if you are already using Substack to create a newsletter for your family or any audience. I created this video to show you what to expect when you're my guest on Substack Live. I've also added detail for how you might host your own guests using the app. If you find this recording useful, I hope you'll share it with others who might find it useful as well. Thank you. As my guest, your experience is simple. You show up and be ready for the invitation. My programs begin at the top of the hour, so be ready about 15 minutes before the hour. We'll use this preview time to check lighting and audio setups. Now, watch for the invitation. It'll show up in email or in the app. Ah, here it is. I now say accept invitation. And it says live with Kathy Stone. Oh, well, now I better look better. Kathy is currently live with one viewer. Join live video. Do you see me? Are we in a preview? Oh, we're in a preview mode. So you see me. Is that right? This points out that the guest has the option and the default to automatically send the invitation to their own subscribers. I honestly didn't even know that myself because I hadn't seen that. That's it. I or someone will trigger the live stream, and after 7 to 10 seconds, we're live. Now, if you're the host, here's a little background to show you how to schedule an event. Here I am on my iPhone, and I imagine that in an Android, you have an Android, I think?
No, iPhone.
iPhone, great. Okay. So I think your interface is, well, obviously your interface will be the same. You only see the plus button when you hit the home. It seems like a reasonable thing to see now, but I guarantee you the next time you're going back and you're saying, no, oh, wait, how do I do that again? Go home. Okay. From here, you hit the plus button, which we never do. I mean, who creates an article from their phone? Nobody does that. So you go live. Now you're thinking, oh my God, I can't go live right now. You go live right there. Don't panic. Okay. There's a lot of don't panic in all of this.
Okay.
So here, what I do, and you have a desktop is a PC or a Macintosh?
Oh, PC. Yep.
I thought so. On a Macintosh, there's a nifty feature that lets me copy and paste my clipboard. So I will have written out, and I usually take the title for an event from my calendar. So I might, for example, go to a Projectkin live event, and then I come back here. Oops, sorry. Come back here. I am now with my finger on my phone, and I hit paste. Now that is pasting. I didn't type that, but that's a cheat on a Mac. So you're going to have to get it into your clipboard here. You might send it to yourself as an email, for example. Copy and paste in, but that's coming from the calendar. And now you're saying, but where did it go? You now hit done. The camera button is going to turn on and off the camera. So it's on. This is still going to be camera. Here is the tricky part. Okay. You're going to forget this one too. You're probably going to see your two publications. Why don't you look on your phone right all now? Subscribers. Do you see that? I think that's the default anyway.
Oh, yeah.
But in my case, I could actually also say mission genealogy. The default would be it goes to everyone. I don't want that. I want just Projectkin. So it's going to all subscribers, Projectkin, and it's scheduling for future, right? And this is in your clock, right?
Yeah.
Leave that on. That's what triggers the email the minute you're live. Now, send an email right now or send an email when the live video starts. I generally turn off send the calendar email right now because it just confuses
Yep.
people. Now makes them think it's
Yep.
about to start. And then I say
Yeah.
schedule live video. Now I have to invite the guests. So I start typing Kathy Stone, invite co-host. Now it's not going to invite co-host right then. It seems
No,
like it,
right. Okay.
but it's not.
Yep. Yep.
And am I sharing it now? No, but
No.
I say yes.
Oh,
Okay.
gosh.
I know. These people make me crazy. Say
Yeah.
share now. And it's going to give me a chance for where I'm copying it. I'm sharing it. I'm say copy link. That's it. Whew, scary, but true. And you can't see this now, but I am about to go over to my calendar. And there's the live stream. Now, if you were to click on the live stream, that's what you see.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I hope that's been helpful. Feel free to reach out if I might help with anything else. Do note that the interface may have changed since this recording. Finally, I'd encourage you to take advantage of Substack's support articles